Hello everyone. This is Team 119, the digital team. We have created a Chrome extension which can be utilized by Ultron employees to keep them updated with the current statistics of COVID-19 in Indian states. Using this extension, Ultron employees can enter their own COVID status in Ultron database. We have also provided an admin page which can be utilized by admin members only. Admin can Admin members can view the cumulative information of employees' COVID status. This is the lookout of the Chrome extension. Here we have provided the state drop down which can be used. For example, we have selected Tamil Nadu state. So we are getting the confirmed, active, recovered, and deceased number of cases in Tamil Nadu. Below is the form which can be utilized by Ultron employees only. So this form can be used to update the COVID status. We have also provided the link to the admin panel. So by clicking this, we can go to the admin page. Only the members who have the credentials of admin can log into this page. This is the cumulative database of all the employees. So by default, the default COVID status will be saved and employee can update their status. For example, here we can see the record number 2, name Preeti, employee ID 1235. Current COVID status is COVID positive. So now we can utilize the Chrome extension to update the status. We can provide employee name, employee code. So from COVID positive, we are making Preeti as recovered. After submitting the data, we can refresh the page and see the data has been updated. So the data has been updated. We can log out from the admin panel using the logout button. Also, we can filter the data for any of the locations. For example, if we want to view only the Gurugram location, we can filter it from here. And if we want to view only the recovered cases, we can filter from search button. We can log out from the application. Thank you.